A light magnitude 3.0 earthquake occurred in the Maluku Sea 98 kilometers, 61 miles from Indonesia in the early morning of Monday, May 12, 2025 at 4:38 a.m. local time, GMT+9. The depth of the quake could not be determined, but is assumed to be shallow. The quake was not felt, or at least not reported so. First to report, BMKG after 11 minutes. The earthquake occurred 14 hours after a magnitude 3.0 earthquake had hit on Sunday, May 11, 2025, at 2:20 p.m. GMT+9 local time, in 73 kilometers, 46 miles, distance to the southeast. Data source from Volcano Discovery. Did you feel it? Let us pray. May the earthquake that occurred not affect our brothers and sisters there. May the earthquake not happen again. And may God protect everyone. Amen.